Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the broker Genetrade. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select Genetrade, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website. To register, click on Register. We enter the registration section. We register our first and last name, along with the date of birth and password. I recommend using uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And in this section, you repeat the password to confirm. Register your country of residence. Additionally, I'm the city, address, apartment, and postal code. In this section, you register your mobile phone number. Additionally, the email address, account type, preferred currency, and leverage. In this section, you confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Open Real Account. An email will be sent to you for email verification, which we will access. We access the email, we select Join Trade, and click on Verify Your Account. Your email will be verified. We click on Sign In. And friends, please note that login information will be sent to our email, where we copy the specified ID and enter it in the Sign In section, along with our password. Finally, we click on Sign In, and you will enter your account dashboard. Your account has been created. Good luck.